Once upon a time, there was a dreamer named Daniel. Daniel had endless plans and loud ambitions in small town. He announced every idea before beginning real work eagerly outside. Villagers praised him with smiles and applause every single time. That praise felt like victory without effort at all whatsoever. But each morning his motivation quietly disappeared again and then. Dreams died because words stole their fragile energy inside him. Years passed, leaving his hands empty and restless with regret. One evening, he met a quiet elder wise man nearby. The elder listened and asked gentle questions about his struggles. Daniel confessed he shared dreams seeking easy validation from others. The elder offered 2 seeds and guidance for demonstration tomorrow. One seed he planted silently beneath soil with steady care. The other seed he displayed proudly publicly for applause outside. Days passed and only silence nurtured growth into strong roots. The exposed seed dried under bright praise and harsh sun. Daniel finally understood the cost of speaking too soon aloud. He kept his next goal completely secret from everyone around. Each night he worked steadily, shaping wood into sturdy furniture. Mistakes taught patience while silence protected focus and inner drive. Weeks later, he finished a simple chair with steady pride. Real pride replaced hollow praise and excuses he once cherished. Protect dreams, early work, daily speak, later let results shout. When success appears quietly, others will notice without your announcements.